I choose this kind of art, which is bird, because bird can reflect myself being enlightenment, hope, and wisdom. Bird provide us the unique gift in the form of unique and independent perspective and personalities. As a human being, I can reflect bird because in myself I am unique gift from God. I am also an independent person. Bird can fly, so that's why for me I can fly for my dreams until to achieve my dreams in life.